Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at the convocation page. The convocation page is the digital platform where we get to see information about what we usually see on the hardcover convocation page. So let's get right into it. I'll click on my school, for example, Adeleke University, and I get to click on any department. When I go to the top right, I see this button at the very far right part. When I do that, I click on the convocation information, and when I click on the convocation information, the convocation page opens up. In this particular page, we have so many information, but because of time, I won't go through everything. But if as you scroll down, you get to see things like order of ceremony, and you can enlarge it by clicking on this part. So when I click on full program, you get to see everything that's gonna happen on your convocation day. And as I keep on going down as well, I get to see more information like award of degrees, on different things to expect. There's a bottom navigation bar at the bottom. So I've just clicked on the speeches page. This ranges from the pro chancellor's speech to the vice chancellor's speech to the chancellor's speech, to the student union speech and whatnot. So these are information I can easily look at. For example, I look at Dr. Ibekwe Egbuta's speech. I can look at vice chancellor's speech. I can look at different speeches from the speakers of the day. Going back to the bottom sheet, I can look at the honors and awards. So for the first class students, for the members of the Senate, I can view all of them. So when I do that, it easily shows me every single one of them. Also, when I can look at the roles, this talks about the different departments and the amount of graduates. So when I click on any of them, I get to see quickly the grad ones in the particular place. Then lastly, about the institution itself, when it was founded, the faculties, the postgraduate studies. And this particular part I would like to show you. On the menu bar, that's the top right, I get to see a button that says view PDF. When I click on that, it's gonna open up this page where everything I've just shared with you will be presented in a PDF format. So it's a lot of pages, well crafted and formatted, branded in this case, Adeleke University. So thank you. This is how you go through, the institution, and see you in the next video. Thank you.